have a very intense question for you.
For me?
God,
Why
intense,
me?
eh?
My face and my personality
Cap and everything.
Very
emits intensity.
बॉस को स्माइल
मैं स्माइल करूं?
नहीं मत
Yeah,
करो।
drop
नहीं
करो.
नहीं थोड़ा ये correct है. Now go for it.
So, the,
बात अगर intensity आ
Yeah.
so a couple of months back, you shared a post on social media talking about choreographers getting their due credit in the industry. And that pretty much inspired me to do this conference. And I really feel like it was much needed. So I would love to know your thoughts about this.
So Bosco Caesar firstly people didn't know that Bosco Caesar were two people. They thought it was one. It was my surname. It would take us too much, as in it would take us too much to tell people कि please हमारा नाम ना आप गाने में डाल दो ना please. And I remember Remo's name used to, because
Yes.
I think Anubhav. So we'd started off and our names used to never come with that. And Anubhav and Remo का एक मस्त
that-
team
yeah.
up हुआ था.
Correct.
And Remo's name. So we used to be like यार इसका नाम आ गया हमारा नाम क्यों नहीं आ रहा है?
Correct.
So we used to be like we fuming कि हम लोगों ने इतने गाने किए. So that music video stage got over. Then we started doing movies. Movies में promos used to come. Again our names were not there. 15 years, 20 years. We are still doing the same thing, and we have, I think after Musafir, like we did a lot of songs, but after Musafir, our work started getting visible. And there was a song called Das Bahane. And we are still struggling to get our names on the credit list. Yes, it would be there on the film kai, but the promotions were, they would have these promo cuts, and it was never there. So we grew up, and then our names started coming. I'm not saying that, but it took us 15-20 years
Yeah.
to get our names like visible, right? And now comes that you're celebrated as a choreographer. And then I feel as choreographers, it's a very, very important aspect. Choreographers, fight masters, they are professionals. Their job is to take a lot of responsibility of a film's promotion. Like a film, most of the times you're called as a specialist to uplift the film कि यार film को बड़ा बनाओ, film को एक look दो,
Correct.
एक move. तो वो every teaser will have a shot of a song और only song के shots
Yeah.
रहेंगे.
Most of the
you're-
shots, yeah.
You're specialized in doing that. You're specialized in making the film, giving that glory, giving that visual, and then your name is not there in Badtameez Dil on the YouTube ये.
Yeah?
Yeah, check it out. So हमारे description
I
में
don't
ना
know.
हाँ आपका
What do
नाम
you say?
नहीं है.
हाँ.
So if
मेरा
you
तो
see
झुमका गाने
description,
में भी नाम नहीं है,
क्या
यूट्यूब पे नहीं देते हैं.
अच्छा.
so और मेरा सेनोरिटा में नाम नहीं है
अरे,
और नेशनल अवार्ड
national award मिला है. सोचो.
So we have to fight this together कि otherwise the community as choreographers will never get that darja. And it is important that we do so much. It's a lot of pressure. Every time you have to think, every time you have to give a move, every time you have to make the song look. And your songs means there's a lot of money also spent on songs. So why is that person
don't,
not celebrated?
True.
Okay, we are not saying कि royalty दो, अभी तो बोलना चाहिए कि we should say royalty दो, because the kind of views that a song gets, उसका एक पैसा भी दोगे ना तो ऐसा 4-5 स्टूडियोज हम लोग खड़ा कर देंगे. So I think it's very important that we should, for the future generation. So I stood up because it was the right time for me to stand up. It was the right time for me because this would be heard by people. And पोस्टर में नाम नहीं है तो फिर मतलब क्या होगा?
क्या मतलब है?
Means पोस्टर में नाम नहीं है. If it is a clutter, if you say कि यार poster, it becomes too many names, and then when you're saying it's a team effort, then where is the team?
Yeah.
So the entire team who's responsible, I'm not saying कि सबका नाम डाल दो. You have to put the key people, उनके नाम तो रहने ही चाहिए, and these people are the ones who you're standing on. But if we all come together, a lot of things might just get visibility, and कोरियोग्राफी जो टैग मिलता है, अभी डायरेक्टर ऑफ कोरियोग्राफी बोला जाता है,
Correct.
पहले डांसर्स बोले जाते थे, फिर
Correct.
मास्टर जी बोले, यू नो, सो अभी it's
it's
given
going
the
there.
दर्जा डायरेक्टर ऑफ, मींस यू आर द सॉन्ग डायरेक्टर,
Correct.
like a director gives you, और वो then he lets you do what you have to do, because even the actors, you know, they surrender.
Yeah.
So you have that capacity to do that. So I think why not share that? पैसे तो नहीं मांग रहे ना हम लोग.
पहले हम लोग गाने करते थे, सिर्फ मूवमेंट कोरियोग्राफ करते थे. अभी कॉस्ट्यूम सेटिंग
Everything,
ये
सब.
एवरीथिंग तो करेक्ट डायरेक्टर फॉर. लेकिन उसमें एक चीज़ और है ना कि हमारा नाम म्यूजिक के बाद आना चाहिए. एग्जैक्ट
Exactly.
मतलब म्यूजिक के बाद, और वो म्यूजिक, फिर म्यूजिक कोऑर्डिनेटर, फिर म्यूजिक, ये उसके बाद जाके कहीं आता
कहीं
वो भी नहीं
जाके.
आता.
हाँ, रेडियो पे भी हमारा नाम नहीं आता वहाँ से जी. Somebody told me that वो रेडियो पे इसलिए नहीं आता क्योंकि वो विजुअल मीडियम नहीं है. सो मैंने बोला विजुअल मीडियम नहीं मीन्स आप गाना सुनते हो तो विजुअलाइज करते हो ना, डांस करते हो ना, तो फिर क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? सो व्हाट द लिरिसिस्ट दे डिड, दे फाइल्ड एन आई डोंट नो, technical term नहीं मालूम, but they filed something and they went to the court. So the court gave all the radio channels कि अगर the lyricist का नाम नहीं आएगा then you all will be penalized.
अच्छा.
So मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ऐसा ही होना चाहिए choreographers के साथ. So they should take our names. They should, like any song, if the lyricist is spoken about, a music director is spoken about, there's a dance that is followed by a visual. Unless it's a sad song which जहाँ पर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, सब लोग रो रहे हैं, तो ठीक है आप लोग मत, बट जब डांस करे तो बोलो ना यार. I was also shocked that Natu Natu the song was celebrated.
I was just coming to that.
Oscar.
I was just coming to that.
So I was like, why is the choreographer not celebrated? You've got that platform, you milk it. You make sure that you are visible, you make sure that you're celebrated, because you've put in a lot of hard work into it. And the whole, not only India, the world is dancing.
Correct.
So it's high time. Like I said, Jhume Jo Pathaan, I have got messages from parents, I've got messages from ladies, from women. They are so, you know, when they dance, and
Yeah.
some kids who are like, you know, they were autistic kids, and they were
dance.
dancing, you know, songs, and the feeling of dancing gives you so much joy and brings a completely different personality. And when you celebrate that, I think you've nailed it. Yeah, you've nailed it. You've made somebody who was depressed dance.
Yeah,
I think
takes you-
that's it. It's happiness.
Yeah.
So that was my you know, celebration moment when somebody
this,
said,
yeah.
and that was hugely celebrated. I think Jhume Jo Pathaan, I felt it was my first song in my life. ऐसा इतना celebration
इतना
हुआ उसका.
celebration हुआ.
But yeah,
true.
it's the glory of everything, not only my choreography. I think the whole vibe of it was required.